10 habits that make you millionaire. 1. Budgeting. Millionaires often have a keen understanding of their finances. Creating and sticking to a budget helps ensure that you are saving and investing wisely while avoiding unnecessary expenses. 2. Saving and investing. Regularly saving and investing money is crucial for wealth accumulation. Setting aside a portion of your income and investing it wisely can help your money grow over time through compounding. 3. Continuous learning. Successful individuals are often lifelong learners. Stay informed about financial markets, investment opportunities, and new business trends. Knowledge is a powerful tool for making informed decisions. 4. Setting goals. Millionaires tend to set clear and achievable financial goals. Whether it's saving a certain amount of money, paying off debt, or investing in a specific venture, having goals provides direction and motivation. 5. Hard work and discipline. Many millionaires attribute their success to hard work, discipline, and perseverance. Consistent effort and the ability to stay focused on long-term objectives are key components of wealth building. 6. Entrepreneurial mindset. Some millionaires achieve wealth through entrepreneurship. Starting and growing a successful business can lead to substantial financial rewards. An entrepreneurial mindset involves taking calculated risks and being open to opportunities. 7. Living below means. Despite having the financial means to afford a luxurious lifestyle, many millionaires live below their means. This involves making wise spending choices and avoiding unnecessary debt to ensure that more money can be directed towards saving and investing. 8. Multiple income streams. Diversifying your sources of income can provide financial security and accelerate wealth accumulation. This can include investments, side businesses, or passive income streams. 9. Networking. Building and maintaining a strong network can open doors to opportunities, partnerships, and valuable insights. Networking allows you to learn from others who have achieved success and can provide guidance on your financial journey. 10. Long-term vision. Millionaires often have a long-term perspective on their financial goals. They understand that wealth building is a gradual process, and they are patient and persistent in their pursuit of financial success.